Now, what can we have here? We have the choice between 1, 3, 7, 9. But wait, 1 and 7 is already taken. So we have what? 3, which is not taken, and 9. Makes two possibilities. That's why I let this like that. And the same is true here. 7 and 1 is taken, so it means that we can use only 3 and 9. Here we have 1 and 3 that's taken, so it makes 7 and 9 possible. Here it's 1 and 9 taken, so which means we have 3 and 7 possible. We continue this way. We're almost there. Here we have 1 and 3 that's taken, so it makes 7 and 9 possible. Here we have 3 and 7 taken, makes 1 and 9 possible. Are you still with me? Almost there. Then we have here 7 and 9 taken. So it means that we have only possible 1 and 3. And finally, no, not finally, there's 2 remaining. This one, 9 and 1 taken means 3 and 7 possible. And the last one tells us that this is 9 and 7 taken, which means 1 and 3 possible. And of course, since we have 1, 7, 3, we can find the last digit very easily. I'm not gonna work on it right now, but all those possibilities makes it of an 8-digit number are not all good. Why is that? Because we need this to be a multiple of 7, and we'll need this to be a multiple of 8. How do we find quickly and easily that the number is a multiple of 8? Well, it's not that easy. You take the 3 last digits, you divide by 2, and you check if you have a multiple of 4. Yeah, that's work. That works. That's a lot of work, but that works. So let's do it. Let's do it. So we have 836. Is this a multiple of 8? Well, if we divide by 2, we realize quickly that this makes a number finishing by 6. And this is not possible. I mean, if we divide by 2, the 6 becomes a 3, and this is not possible for multiple of 4. So that does not work. All those finishing by 6 don't work. Bye-bye. So we have only those remaining. That's cool. What do we do with them? The same. We divide them by 2 and we check if they're multiple of 4. That's a lot of work. Let's do it. So 472 makes 272. That should work. This one works. 92 divided by 2 makes something that finishes by, wait a minute, so 492 divided by 2 makes 246. 246. 46 is not a multiple of 2, a multiple of 4, sorry, so this is not a solution. 432 is obviously multiple of 8, because if you divide by 2 we have 32 makes 16 and it's multiple 8. 472 472. If you divide 4 by 2, it's no problem. Let's check 72. If you divide it by 2, actually we don't have to concentrate on those digits. We have to concentrate on this. We know that 72 makes a multiple of 8. Here too, 92 is not a multiple of 8. We don't have to consider those 4 because 4 is a multiple of 2, so when you divide by 2 makes 200, and that's not gonna interfere with those 2. So we have to remove only those 92 because those are the ones that don't work. And we're done. Technically we're done with the multiples of 8.